Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Ben from RapidVisa, and today we have a very important question. Striker, what is the question?
Oh, it's about criminal convictions. So we had a guy a little while ago, he asked us a question. He had done a little bit of time in the slammer, but it was years and years ago, and he was asking us, is that time he had in the slammer going to affect his ability to bring somebody over into his country on a visa?
Okay, well, thanks for having me, and hello from Las Vegas. The common question, many people at various points in their life make a mistake and end up with some blemishes on their criminal history. So what I would say about it is, it of course matters more if you're the alien, if you're the foreigner, the alien trying to come here. Your criminal history matters more. If you're already in the United States, we're already stuck with you. There's nothing we can do about it. So, what they're looking for in criminal history from the U.S. citizen, or in some cases green card holder, they're really looking for a criminal history that indicates you may be of danger to the alien. In other words, meaning that you have a violent criminal history. So if you've murdered somebody, if you've some kind of sexual assault, certainly some kind of child abuse, these things can and sometimes do cause denial in your petition. Now, having said that, let me say this, my disclaimer. Number one, I'm not a lawyer. Number two, there's not a rule that says if you have this criminal conviction, let's say a rape case, you can't bring your spouse or fiancé. There's no rule that says that. It's really a discretionary thing for the government. And really what they're looking at, again, is not, are you a good person, bad person? They're looking at, are you potentially a danger to the alien? Because what nobody wants to happen, sir, for instance, wants to happen is he allows a spouse maybe to come here and then she's murdered by the U.S. citizen. Now everybody's looking at that whole record. And if I'm the consular officer, I don't want to be the guy who ignored this U.S. citizen's violent criminal background. So if you have a criminal conviction that's completely nonviolent, you robbed a bank or you had a DUI, a crash, something like that, anything like that, you stole a car or something, you're not going to have any problem at all based on our experience. And again, that's not me giving you legal advice. It's just that we've done over 52,000 of these. We've seen just about every crime you can imagine, including manslaughter. And we've seen people get approved with most of these situations. If you're not approved, however, don't give up. You could still appeal. In that case, in that circumstance, we're going to recommend you get a lawyer. But really, the ones that we see get the most scrutiny are when it involves assault to a partner. So if you've got a history of assaulting your wife or girlfriend or children, yes, you can expect some increased scrutiny, maybe not denial, but you're going to get some scrutiny, and that's probably fair, right? I mean, if you've had this in your past, it's probably fair that you answer for how you have corrected that behavior or whatever. So, but bottom line is, if you have anything that's not related to violence against a person, you really don't have to worry about it. We've seen plenty of people who did time in prison. We've even done petitions for people who met while they're in prison through a pen pal program. So the U.S. prisoner, he meets a lady online and they're talking, they're writing letters back and forth, and now he's out and he wants a petition. And we've done many of those, and they go right through. Again, don't disqualify yourself is what I tell people. If you have a legitimate relationship, don't start thinking in your mind all the reasons why you might be denied. Just apply and try it. You'll probably be surprised. Most people go right through. If it's legit, that's really all they're looking for. Is this legit? And secondary, they're looking at, are you a danger to the alien? But if you clear both those hurdles, you're probably going to be fine.
Ben, thank you very much. Thank you for your answer.
Thanks for joining us again. And
happy to be here.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.